Hey, welcome to Simple Programming. In this video, we will be covering about customizing Eclipse IDE. First of all, why we should even bother about customizing Eclipse IDE? The answer is straightforward. It's because of efficiency and the comfort. When your workspace is personalized to your preferences, you spend less time looking at the screen or searching for tools, or more time doing what you do best, the coding. Okay. One of the first things you will notice, especially if you are having high resolution display, is the size of the icon and under the text. On some 4K or Retina display, there might be the icons are too small. But don't worry, we have some settings. So to do that, just go to the Eclipse.ini file where you can see where Eclipse got installed. Open that file and I just put this into the description. You just copy paste that and to the Eclipse.ini file and just close it and reopen again. So there you will get to see the icons. You can see the bigger. Now let's add some more color into our environment. If you are into the late night coding like I am, you might appreciate the dark theme to reduce the strain on your eyes, right? So Eclipse has built-in dark theme, but if you are fancy on some other different theme, there are more available themes are available in the online. You can go for it. My personal favorite is the dark theme. It provides sleek interface that is not too hard on our eyes. So to do that, go to the Windows preferences and you can find the theme over here. You just click on the dark theme and just restart the Eclipse. That's it. So next we'll go to the fonts, Java fonts. Did you know you can adjust your the Java code how it looks like in the editor, whether it's a text size or the syntax highlighting? You can adjust it all, right? So to do that, go to the Windows preferences and go to the font and coloring. There you can see the Java editor. Just click on that and then just go to the font size, whatever you want to do. You can adjust it and then do OK. That's it. So by using that, you can customize your Java code in the editor. And let's move on to the perspective. Have you ever heard the perspective in Eclipse? So each setup for specific activity, right? So if you are working on Git, there is a room for this. You can customize. The perspective is custom made with all our tools and views you might need. Eclipse comes with several default perspective, but you can also create your own custom perspective also. Click on the open perspective icon in the corner, and this is the open perspective window. Here you can, based on your selection, you can select that. Click on the Git and do open, and it opens the Git perspective. Here you can add the existing repository and all, and we have debug and other thing also. So click on the planning. Here you can see all the planning related, task related stuffs, everything you can configure over here. So and we'll go back to the normal default view. Click on the Java default and click on open. This is the default Java perspective. Few simple steps, you made it a custom Eclipse IDE. Remember, personalizing your workspace can significantly enhance your coding experience, and it's all about what works best for you. That's all about this video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Until next time, take care. Bye bye. See you soon.